Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the horror text animations in CapCut PC. So in here, I've already used a black background. You can use your video if you want to, but I'm going to just use this black background. Then you can just write the text that you want. For example, I'm going to just write horror text animation. Oops, sorry. Okay, you can adjust the font size to how you like it, and for the font, choose the terror font. You can just scroll down. You can use Gothic, but I'm going to just use this terror font. And I'm going to make it bigger and adjust the spacing of the character like this. Don't forget to adjust the length. Okay, after that you can click on the text, go to animations, and find the flicker text effect. So you can just click on this loop, find the flicker. Okay, this one. Here I'm going to make the speed let's try okay. And after you apply the text animations in here, sorry, I use the flicker under the in category. Okay, you can adjust it to how you like it. After that, you can just select the text and also the background and create a compound clip. And after this, you can go to effects and find this dark category. So in the dark category video effects, you can see lots of Halloween theme effects that you can use. So here you can just choose which one. For example, I'm going to use, okay, let's try to use this bulky camera. It will go like this. You can also combine more than one effects. I'm going to use this one. And also let's try to find another one. I'm going to use, okay, let's try this purple mist. Click on it. Okay, I'm going to make it the whole clip, and I'm going to lower the atmosphere, and this will be the result. So you can just modify it to how you like it, but this is me, this is the result. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.